trying all 8 of these Dan-O seasonings on chicken, I will say my favorites for chicken were the original, the seasoning, and the cheesening. I think the cheesening would also be really good on popcorn, maybe broccoli as well. All 3 I think would go great on veggies as well. And I think that, so the taco one, I'm really excited to try that on beef. I did like it on chicken, but I think I'll love it on ground beef or even ground turkey. And then the Primo and the Crunchy both have a crunch to them. I think that I did like the Crunchy. I thought it had a bit of the original flavor to it, but adding that crunch is really nice. And then the Primo, I feel like that would be better on like beef, like steak. I think I'm really excited to try that on steak for sure. And then there's the Chipotle and the spicy. These 2, I will say that the Chipotle I think has more flavor to it as opposed to just a kick. I pretty much just taste a swift kick with the spicy depending on how much you put on there. So you can definitely control how spicy these are, which is nice based on how much you put on there. So overall, I'm very, very happy with this.